In this video, you'll learn the best 6/8 time rhythm pattern to apply to songs. This is a beautiful and easy pattern that you can apply right away into your songs, even as a beginner, because we are only using the notes that are right in the chord. So let's jump in. First step, let's learn the chord. As an example, let's use the F major chord, which is F, A, C, with F on the left hand, doing just the root or double doing octaves like this. And make sure to download the PDF for free to follow this lesson at home. The link is in the description down below. Back to the lesson, you play first everything together, and then we repeat the left hand, the root, and then play again the right hand, and then left hand again, and then you play an arpeggio. That means one note at a time on the right. So let's do it again. So everything together, left, right, left, one note at a time on the right. That's it. Will sound like this. Again. Everything together, left, right, left, arpeggio. And one secret here, every time you play the octaves on the left hand, make sure to hold the bottom note and just keep repeating the top note like this. You sound better. So let's do one more chord. For example, A minor. So A, C, E with A octaves like this, and the same pattern. So play everything together, left, right, left, and then play an arpeggio with the same notes. Would sound like this. Again. Pa, 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 pa. Together, left, right, left, arpeggio. But let's say you have to play two chords per measure. For example, F and then A minor. In this case, just split the pattern in half. For example, I'm gonna play everything together for F major, and then repeat left, and then the arpeggio. Will sound like this. Again. Together, left, arpeggio. And then you move to the next chord. A minor, exactly the same pattern. So everything together, left, arpeggio. Both F, A, F, A, F, A, and so on. The second step is to apply this pattern to songs. As an example, I'm using the song We Are the Champions by Queen. And by the way, if you're looking at piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson. For this song, we have exactly the same example. So sometimes I just play one chord per measure. Like the first chord progression, I have F major, A minor, D minor, D, F, A with D per one measure, and then I have two chords per measure. So B flat, D, F with B, and then C major, C, E, G with C. So for the first three chords, I'm playing then doing exactly the same rhythm pattern. So F, I play together, left, right, left, arpeggio, sounding like this. B flat, let's split the pattern in half. And then just keep playing following the next and next chord progression. So you can hear that I'm gonna play this whole part for you, doing exactly the same pattern, but following different chord progressions. Let's go. And to learn more beautiful rhythm patterns like this, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.